front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Passwords and Accounts. Then click on the gear icon next to Google and access Google Password Manager right away. Finally, click on one of your apps you wanna check. Enter your current login method and click on eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Quick tip: if your password is too long, like in this case, tap on Edit button and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!